Good Wednesday afternoon, 6th and 7th period. Today we're going to talk about ethnic groups and religions groups. What is the difference between the two? Where are these groups found in the Middle East? So there's a lot on our plate today, so let's begin by looking over here at the board and let's talk exactly about what an ethnic group. We know that an ethnic group shares race, a heritage, a way of living, their language, customs, food, their history, etc. So when we go to your textbook today, and this book, the coach book, I want you on page 88. Your calendar tells you all this information. It gives us our fancy definition of an ethnic group. A group of people who share cultural ideas and beliefs that have been a part of their community for generations. The characteristics they may have in common include language, religion, shared history, foods, a set of traditional stories, beliefs, or celebrations. So that is what an ethnic group is. So what is a religious group then? A religious group shares a common belief system. So in the Middle East, we have Judaism, Christianity, and Islam. So there are 4 different main ethnic groups in the Middle East. Those that live on the Arabian Peninsula, Saudi Arabia, all those countries, into Iraq, into Jordan, those are our Arabs. Not Arabs, Arabs. Make sure that you call them Arabs. Then we have the people that live in Israel. The people that live in Israel, of course, are called Jews. We then have people that live in the mountain region of northern Iraq, eastern Syria, eastern Turkey, western Iran, and these are called the Kurds. They do not have their own country, but they claim to call themselves the Kurds, and they live in Kurdistan. Our 4th ethnic group are the people that live in Iran. The people that live in Iran are the Persians. Remember our saying, I ran from the Persian cat. Helps you remember Iran, Persian. So, on our Middle East map, we have the Arabs, all here. We have the Kurds, we have the Persians, and we have the Jews in Israel. All right? So, let's look at our fancy definition of a religious group. Shares a belief system in a god or gods with a specific set of rituals and culture and literature. Okay, so those are your holy books. So what you need to do is you need to read all of page 88. Then it gets down into the religions of Arabs, Persians, and Kurds. Okay, we know the Jews are Jewish, so that's good. So what we need to do is to talk about the Arabs. Not all Arabs are Muslim. But 90% of Arabs are Muslim. 10% are Christian. Most Persians are Shia Muslims, and we'll talk about what that means later. And then in the Kurds, most are Muslim, some are Christian as well. So you're going to read the information, and then in your document, Judaism. It was founded in, fill in the blank, okay? 2000 BC. So 2% of the Middle East population are Jews, and most of those Jews live in Israel, okay? So Christianity is next. Christianity was founded in 0 to 100 AD and makes up 4% of the Middle East population. Most people live in Israel, Jordan, Syria, and Turkey. And then we have Islam. So Islam was founded in 610 AD and makes up 90% of the Middle East population, and they are found all over the Middle East. So what you need to do next is I have the next chart of ethnic groups. So there's your Arabs, Jewish, Kurdish, and Persian. What I want you to do is fill in the chart with the following items. Those that speak Hebrew, live in Turkey, Syria, Iraq, and Iran. Most live in the Arabian Peninsula and Northern Africa. Fill in these 12 items in this chart. Okay? Ms. Maddox will go over the answers with you. Oh, flash, there they are. She'll go over the answers with you when you are done with this today. If you have time at the end of class, you can always watch CNN Student News. Make sure you have your headphones. No fighting over the headphones. I thank you all for being awesome, and I will see you tomorrow.